Thinking about starting a 20-gallon aquarium this summer? Whether it's for tropical fish or a peaceful planted tank, this guide will show you everything you need. Equipment, setup, and stocking tips. All updated for summer 2025. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff aquarium guides. Rinse substrate and decorations with dechlorinated water only. No soap, seriously. Place the tank on the stand, make sure it's level, add your substrate, and install your decor. Here are a few ideas for stocking your tank. For a peaceful community tank, try 6 neon tetras, 4 panda corridoras, 1 honey gourami, and 3 amano shrimp. If you want a planted betta tank, go with 1 male betta, 6 ember tetras, and 4 neurite snails. Or for a live bearer setup, you could do 5 guppies, that's 1 male and 4 females, 3 otocinclus plus some hornwort and java moss. Setting up a 20-gallon tank doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right gear, patience, and planning, you'll have a thriving ecosystem this summer. Subscribe now for more quick guides and tank inspiration every week.